I couldn't be happier how things turned out. We're back from the Key West poker run. We had a great time at Key West. Got the President's Award for the best classic boat.
One of the most interesting things and fun challenges of Bill's boat was to make it from 2 engines to a single. In today's technology, that's less maintenance, less fuel, and less downtime. Through the hundreds of cigarette 28s I built during my 8-year tenure running cigarette racing team, we only had twin engine to put in them. Well, that was because the engines were typically 280 to 330 horsepower, so the boat needed 2 engines to reach 70 miles an hour. Well, with today's technology, Mercury Racing has a series of 520 and 565 engines with the new XR dual prop drive, which allows 7 propellers counter-rotating. That allows us to put 1 engine in the boat, and we proved on sea trials it does everything better than a twin engine boat. It gets on plane faster, uses much less fuel, has a perfect attitude as that XR drive lifts the bow really high, in some cases higher than a twin engine boat. The boat weighs less, and it's a better product than I could build back in the 80s and 70s.
Thank you, Mark, Nick, and Tony, and all your team. You did a great job.
This is a successful project. I look forward to restoring and rebuilding many of my old 28-foot to 30-foot class boats with twin engines.